Greetings everyone, I am Sarvagat Jagatram and for today's AI video, we would be exploring the impact of AI in education. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and teach, creating a more personalized, engaging and effective educational experience for all. A study by Eklavya shows that over 70% of tutors believe that AI can personalize learning paths for students. AI tutors cater to individual strengths and weaknesses to teach, making it a more viable option when learning. Each student has a different way to express themselves and learn, such as poems, drawing, exploring, talking. These are the few ways students express themselves. So, an AI path can build what a student needs to express themselves and to learn in a more efficient manner. A statement said by Elon Musk, education should not be a one-size-fits-for-all system, as well as another statement of his, AI-powered learning tools can enhance VR, AR experiences, providing real-time feedback and adapting to a learning progress. This statement further adapts to what I said before and further improves the validity of my statements. When it comes to AI, education is being disrupted for us, said US Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona, another expert at the AI event. Let's not waste the opportunity to shape and inform change for the better. AI capabilities could elevate some of the most pressing issues in education. AI could help teachers individualize lesson plans for students to support each child's unique need, said Nathan Jones, a commissioner of the National Center for Special Education Research at the Department of Education. By automating tasks like grading, essays, and scheduling, AI frees up space for educators to further build upon the critical thinking skills of students and further make the classes more engaging instead of just having an AI robot all the time. Some issues about the inclusion of AI in education are issues like data privacy and algorithmic bias, and ensuring equitable access to technology need careful consideration. Currently, AI is being used in education in multiple ways, such as the rise of ChatGPT. ChatGPT and Gemini have made a way so that students can form essays in just 2 seconds, where on the other hand, it would have taken such a long time. It has made the lives of students a lot easier, has made a way to research in a more efficient manner. AI market research tools are also being used to automate administrative tasks, such as grading assignments and providing feedback. Additionally, AI is being used to analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and insights that can inform the development of new education strategies and policies. Some learning companies, I should say, have been focusing on AI inclusion for a long time, such as Duolingo, Alex, and Coursera, who are using AI actively to further improve the experience of students to learn. That's all for today's video. Thank you everybody for joining. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.